Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The residents at the Bengal Cove Villas are a one-of-a-kind beachfront retreat. Pristine white sand and turquoise waters grace the protected and private sunset-facing bay. Removed from the more tourist-trafficked areas of Jamaica, Bengal Bay sits cozily in between Trelawny and Discovery Bay on Jamaica's north coast. The multi-home beachfront property is the epitome of modern island living and is composed of only 15 homes. The units are perfect for gathering family and friends with their personal plunge pools and breathtaking open-air rooftop terraces. On the main level, you will find a sumptuous kitchen complete with an island. The open-plan living room ushers you onto the pool deck, which visitors can also access via a side gate. The expansive terrace offers upgrade options, also included an electronic gate and guardhouse, CcTv, generator, reserve water, a gym, infinity pool, clubhouse, entertainment deck with bar and grill, restroom, plus wonderful sea views for miles and miles. Come see this undiscovered location, the ideal spot for those who seek calm seascapes, beautiful sunsets, and the convenience of toes in the sand at your doorstep. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $875,000 or Jamaican $134.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.